breaking news just coming in. A notification has said that there will be no capacity restrictions now any longer in domestic air operations, and this is going to be with effect from the 18th of October. Sonakshi joining us with the latest on that. Sonakshi, what are we hearing?
Well, Ankita, the Government of India, the Ministry of Civil Aviation have now announced that domestic aviation will take place in full capacity. Remember, this is coming after the capping that had taken place earlier this year in the month of May. Currently, the flight operations, domestic air, is at about 80 to 85% capacity. But now this order will mean that from 6 days from now, next Monday, basically the 18th of October, we will see 100% capacity flight operations, domestic aviation. Let's remind our viewers that. And this is going to be big news given that the festival season has arrived in India. People are taking more flights in and out of cities. The airports, big major airports are seeing a lot of rush throughout the day. So clearly this is big news, big aviation news for India. Remember, because of the COVID, flight operations had stopped, and slowly as India began to unlock, flight operations began, and then there were restrictions in place. Only 50% capacity were allowed, and then that moved up to 80%. But now, from the 18th of October, domestic aviation in India will see a full 100% capacity flying.
Sonakshi, are we getting any information as to why the 18th has been selected? Effectively, that's right after the Durga Puja period. A lot of people actually travel during this time as well. Any significance to that date?
Absolutely, Ankita. What I'm learning is festival is one of the reasons. Yes, this is the Durga Puja week. This is the Navratri week going on, and this is just the beginning of the festival season in India. Diwali will slowly follow, and then of course Christmas and New Year, and of course the other festivals that lie in between. So over the weekends there was a huge rush at the airports, at major airports, Delhi, Bombay included, and lakhs of people really thronged to the airport for some last-minute flights as well, citing emergency issues. So which is why what I'm learning is also that the government has taken this into consideration, and which is why they've decided to make 80% or full 100% capacity for aviation flights in India, domestic aviation flights in India.
Right. So, Sonakshi, that of course is as far as individual aircraft are concerned. Is there going to be any increase in the number of flights available to passengers during the day?
Yes, we are learning that there will be an increase in the number of flight operations as well in the number of days. But we can only come back with more updates with that. But yes, there will be. We are learning that there will be more flight operations that will increase throughout the day.